My name is Ray and I am working on a Voxel project. I've did YouTube before, but in another language. But now I am trying to support English, and that's the point of this video. I want to talk about the current state of the Voxel engine. As you can see, the voxel size is reduced, and that means we have new problems, and one of them is procedural generation. The idea of more voxels means more detail, and that's related to some performance issues because you are generating millions of voxels, you are using formulas, volume formulas for grass, for leaves, for trees, for rocks, and well, whatever you want to place in the word generation. It's not fast to generate this kind of voxel data. And yeah, if I could optimize this, I'll probably make the voxel smaller. Well, the engine is designed for smaller sizes, but that requires more memory usage, more CPU, and more GPU. I also want to say that I am not using an RTX, but that doesn't mean that the game could work smoothly on every PC. I've learned a lot about code optimization, so that's the cool part, learning a lot of things. Now, one thing I want to say is that I want to launch the demo of this game, but there are some conditions to be completed first. I want the procedural generation to be more complex, with more vegetation, biomes, and the cool stuff. And after that, I need to develop the save system. Now it's different, and this is really important because it's terrible if you build something with high detail and after an update that building, that construction is deleted. Or maybe I modified the wall generation, the terrain height, and now there's a mountain covering your house. So these things are important to solve first before launching a demo. And yeah, I have to work with some bug fixes. I have more plans for the game. I want to add creatures and that kind of things, but that's for the future. At least I want the basic functionality of the engine to be ready. And yeah, if you're watching this video and you like this project, well, you can give me your ideas. I'll maybe try adding something. And yeah, I really enjoy doing YouTube, and I want to say that I didn't expect it to get to this point, but yeah, that's life is really strange. I really appreciate your feedback because this is my first video in English. Don't forget to subscribe and share and give a like. And I have my Twitter or X on my description, so you can follow me. I post random pictures right there. And if you want to support me on this project, you can follow me on Patreon. I just need to do some translations. That's all for this video. See you on the next one. Bye.